Hello guys, today I am going to talk about files. What is files? A file is a object on a computer that stores data, information, settings or command used with a computer program. On a computer there are three types of files applications: data files and system files. How files are created? A file is created using a computer software program. For example, to create a text file, you would use a text editor. To create an image file, you would use an image editor. And to create a document, you would use a word processor. Where files are stored? Computer files are stored on a drive, example hard drive, disk, example DVD, and a display, example floppy disk, and maybe in a folder directory on that media. When saving a file to your computer, you are saving the file to the hard drive. File management. Microsoft Windows computer users can view, manage, and organize their files with Videos Explorer, and Apple users can use the Finder. File extension and file types. There are millions of files used with computers today that are identified either by the file extension or the file's data. For example, the picture of Windows Explorer above is the rigid, rigedit file. Rigedit is the name of the file, and .exe is the file extension that identifies the file as an executable file. How long can a file be? Earlier version of Microsoft Windows and MS-DOS has a file naming convention called the 8.3 format. This is convention support a maximum file name of 8 characters and up to a 3 character extension. With the introduction of Windows 95, Windows joined other operating systems in supporting long file names. Now all the latest versions of Windows can support file names up to 255 characters in length. Why do files have different icons? There are thousands of different file formats. Different icons are used to help identify the type of file or what program is associated. For example, when scrolling through hundreds of files, you could identify a text file by looking for file icon that looks like a notepad. Having unique icons is also helpful for when file extensions are hidden. How are files different than a directory or folder? A directory is a area on the computer containing other directories, and files can help to keep the computer organized. Files can be contained within a directory and contain information used by the operating system or other programs on the computer. Illegal file characters. With most operating systems, the below characters are considered illegal and cannot be used. Trying to create a file with these characters in the file name would generate an error or make the file inaccessible. Types of files. Text files. A text file is a stream of characters that can be sequentially processed by a computer in forward direction. The text file can be processed characters. They can read or write data only character at a time. Binary files. A binary file is a file which may contain any type of data encoded in binary form for computer storage and processing purposes. A binary file does not require any special processing of the data, and each byte of data is transferred to or from the disk unprocessed. Python file mode. or or open a file for reading. W open a file for writing. It creates a new file if it does not exist, or truncates the file if it exists. H open a file for exclusive creation if the file already exists or the operation fails. A open for appending file at the end of the file without truncating it. Create a new if it does not exist. T open in text mode, V open in binary mode, plus open for updating. Renaming and deleting files. The rename method takes two arguments, the current file name and the new file name. Syntax os.rename parenthesis current file name new file name. Remove method. The remove method is used to delete files. The method takes a file name as an argument and deletes the file. Syntax os.remove file name. Thank you.